our brand new truck. As you can see, this Freightliner is made a little bit different than the others. The others have gray interior.
You going out today?
This has black interior, black seats, and the only gray is this up here, the top of it. But the cool thing is, it's self-driving. Okay, hold on, I gotta zoom in. See? No hands. We are moving. It's self-driving. It's a self-driving truck. Oh my God. Self-driving. As you can see, we are moving. But you have to put your hands on the steering wheel. It won't let you self-drive for a long time. But you put your hands on the steering wheel, and then it self-drives by itself. Look at that. And yes, we are moving. See that? See that? Self-driving. Amazing. See? And it comes back on. So, we are in a self-driving truck. So with the hands-free, they're calling this a lane assist. But to me, this is the Tesla of trucks. Woo, Freightliner stepping up, y'all. Hey, we getting closer and closer to a driver not having to do anything, just sit in the driver's seat. Look at that. Wow. All right, I'm gonna show you the rest of the truck. Now the rest of the truck, this is the, I'm behind the curtain because my husband is driving, but the new truck has a TV mount. The other truck didn't have that. But we're not going to put a TV there because we don't have time to be watching no TV. No, sir. So that will not, no TVs in here. We have a little cooler here because our other, we haven't brought our other stuff from the other truck yet. So we won't be able to do that till next week. But we have a little cooler for our food. Until we get our refrigerator from our other truck. But these are the cabinets. This is the cabinet for the microwave. This is another storage cabinet. This is another storage cabinet. This is a cabinet, shirt hanger cabinet, because you can hang up. You can put hangers in here, hangers up there, and you can hang stuff in here. But this is another cabinet as well, salon cabinet. You have a cabinet down there. I just got out of bed, but this is the bed. And if we wasn't husband and wife, there's a bunk bed at the top. That's the bunk bed. But we sleep in the same bed. If we have to shut down or something like that, we sleep in the same bed. So this is like a full-size mattress. But that's the truck. It's a Cascada Freightliner. This right here, this net, is usually for when there's a person sleeping. You take this and then you strap it to this right here. That way, if something happens, if there's a hard break, the person won't fall out the bed and fall forward. They would just fall into the net. Yep, but that's the truck. Slight truck tour. All right. So thank you very much for watching our brand new truck review, the 2023 Cascada Freightliner. It's the Tesla of trucks. It drives by itself. Ciao. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. As always, don't forget to tell a loved one you love them, because tomorrow isn't promised to anyone. Stay thankful, grateful, safe, and healthy. Until next time, everyone.